How to find recently closed tabs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down and turn on the Shake to Undo feature. If you tend to shake your iPhone by accident, you can disable Shake to Undo to prevent the undo alert from appearing. Now, go back and open up the Safari application. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the tabs icon. You can view all your open tabs over here. Press and hold any tab and select Close Other tabs. Now, tap on the Undo button over here if you want to undo closing the tabs. Following these steps, you can easily find recently closed tabs on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.